day to all of you. Hello everyone, my dear students. So today we are going to discuss about the remaining activities from your textbook. Last class we discussed 4 activities. Do you remember that, children? Yes, we all have done in the textbook and we drawed our favorite pet, right? Yes. Now today is the next activity. So let's see. Yes. So here goes the next activity. Activity number 5. Look at the different things a hen can do. Can you see a hen in the picture, children? Yes. What does it say? A hen can lay a big white egg. A hen can stand on just one leg. A hen can run. A hen can walk. A hen can say cluck, cluck, cluck. So this all a hen can do. Now here goes your activity. Now write down what a cat can do. One is done for you. One is already given. A cat can catch rats. You know that, no? Cat will catch the rat for eating. Yes. So next one what we will write? A cat can drink milk. A cat can jump. A cat can eat fish. A cat can say meow, meow. So this all you can write. What is that, children? A cat can catch rats. A cat can drink milk. A cat can jump. A cat can eat fish. A cat can say meow, meow. Now the next activity, what can you do? What can you do? I will just give some examples. You can write your own also. Okay. So what can you do? I can sing a song. I can dance. I can jump. I can run. You can say anything. So this you have to write it in your textbook. Now we can go to the next activity. Can you see 4 pictures there? Yes, you can see 4 pictures, right? Yes. Now what you have to do means there is a small box given in each picture. Can you see that? Yes, you have to number it. Which picture comes first? Because we all know the lesson about Me Too, right? You know the lesson, right? So which is happening first, that you have to write number 1. Then which is happening second, you can write number 2. So here is picture 1, picture 2, picture 3 and picture 4. Now, which is the picture which took place first? Can you say, children? Yes, it's the second picture. So write there 1 inside the box. Now next what happened? Which picture? Yes, the last picture, picture number 4. There you can write 2. Then the first picture, that is you can write picture and first picture you can write number 3. Then comes the third picture. The last one is the third picture. There you can write 4. So what is the order, children? 3, 1, 4, 2. Clear? Now we can go on to the next activity. Yes, what is the next activity saying? I know what the hen gives me. You know what a hen gives, right? So what you have to do? You have to tick there. Put a correct mark in the box. Okay. So first one, what does a hen give us? Mug, egg, leg. What does it give? Yes, exactly. Egg. So put a tick mark in the box of egg. Now next one. I know who will come out of the egg. Who will come out of the egg? Chick, fish, rat. Yes, it's the chick. So put a tick over there. Now last one. I know who can swim. Who can swim, children? Worm, chick, duckling. Who can swim? Yes, it's the duckling. So you can put a tick over there. So this all your activities. So do these activities into your textbook and complete all the activities. Clear, children? So thank you.